There's this guy, he's 16 years old, sitting by a pool, and he has like a little laptop or a phone, and he's like, hey, you want to make $15,000? I made $15,000 for the past 3 months, and I will teach you how. I sold my grandmother's old wigs, and I became a millionaire. And this guy's thinking, well, I want to go and sell some stuff online. I want to be rich. And my father's telling me I have to study. So my father is not letting me enjoy happiness. My father is my biggest enemy because he stands between me and making $15,000 a month. Really? You're going to fall for that? You're going to ruin your whole life based on a TikTok video of some kid claiming that he's making $15,000 a month by selling whatever? That is the dangers of social media.